Hope you're doing well. It's me, Tamara Nicola, bringing you some fashion delightfulness, some fashion and personal style gems, I guess. Take what you can and leave the rest, okay? So I am dressed. I am headed out to Ironbound, New Jersey, which is like a town over from Newark. I'm going to a musician friend of mine is having a birthday party at this lounge. I think it's called Marbells or something. I think I got the name wrong actually, so I will link the name just so I can get the name correct and you know what I'm talking about. And it's like this Latin lounge. So I'm looking forward to it because I love, exploring different cultures, and the party scene when it comes to cultures is like a great insight into, what that culture actually enjoys. So I'm just looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to getting some food. They serve food until like 11:30 p.m. So, and it's free for women before, I think, 11. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Hello. So I'll take a little videoing of that. I'll do, take a video and show you guys a little bit about the spot in case you want to check it out. Don't sleep on New Jersey. New Jersey has some really cool spots. That's what I've learned. Some really great restaurants, some really great lounges. A lot of folks from New York are here and they bring New York with them. And, we're just across the water. New Jersey's just across the water from New York. And it's different, but not that much different, okay? The people are still shady here, just like New York. Shady in a cool kind of way. You know what I mean? Like shady because you need to be, right? It's like we're not far from the city. So, you've got to keep that in mind. So I am here dressed, ready to impress for this little birthday shindig. And I just want to show you guys how to dress up a basic denim skirt. Dress up a basic denim item, okay? And also make it fall. Dress up a basic denim item and make it fall, okay? So I'm going to this lounge and it's a dressy casual type of setting. I actually did my research and the dress code is dressy casual, which is perfect because I'm the dressy casual queen, okay? So I decided that I wanted to wear this new Zara top that I got recently. This top is, I believe it's viscose, that's the material. And I love the richness in the green. It's like a greenish gold. It's a very rich color, which I felt could be really good for the night scene. And the sleeves are long, so it's nice and toasty, I just wore a bra underneath, I didn't layer it or anything. And it's fitted, so that makes it kind of sexy, I think. And yeah, I decided to pair it with this skirt. This is like an elevated basics piece, it gives a little extra, and it also gives a little shine, so it's in the dressy area. So I figured mixing that with this skirt would take it up a notch for a dressy casual type of scene. And I love the fringes on this Oliver Logan skirt that I have. This is a sustainable brand, Oliver Logan, and I got a skirt from them about a couple of years ago or a year ago. And I love this skirt. I love the stretch in it. I love the way it feels on my skin. I think it's cute, and I love where it stops on me, right? So it's not too much, not too little, it's just right. And who said that? Not too much, not too little, it's just right. Goldilocks. Yes. Not too little. This is my Goldilocks. Goldilocks denim skirt. And it's so simple. It's so simple. It hugs the hips a little bit, hug my butt a little bit. It's simple, but it's cute. So I wanted to wear something a little more dressy on top, but it's not too much. I'm not giving holiday season up top. It's subtle. It's like a subtle dressy. And I decided to pair it with these shoes by I London. I believe I London is still around. and I believe I London is in London. I did a little research recently, and I had thrifted these shoes. I haven't thrifted anything in quite some time, and a few months ago, over the summer, I thrifted these beautiful I London, they're like mules, but they strap up on the leg, and they're 100% leather, right? Genuine leather. And I just thought they were beautiful. I love the point. I love the thinness of the heel, but it's not too thin, and they're comfortable. They're comfortable and cute. So I got these from the thrift shop a few months back, and I cleaned them up and everything. And I just love the color, and it's something that I could wear now, you know, for the fall. You know, my heel would be out, and it's great because it was like 60 degrees today. So I figured that this would be like a really cute, dressy, casual look. And then I added a little accent to this look with this gold chain belt that I have. Actually, I created this. This is from a pocketbook of mine, and I made it into a belt for tonight, okay, and beyond. I think one time I made it into a necklace, like a drop necklace. Don't sleep on me. I got you. She used to be a flight attendant, and she knows how to improvise, okay, and create solutions. Listen, I used to be a flight attendant, and on that plane, like, sometimes you'd have to take it back to the basics, okay? Like, if you ran out of water, like, if that pipe wasn't running, you better figure it out, okay? You know, you gotta make things work on the plane because you don't have access to much. And whatever it is that they bring you for that flight, that's what you got, okay? So if you ran out, figure it out. And that's what we did. And I felt like that was great for me because it really taught me how to be outside of my comfort zone and to think quick on my feet. You know, I'm a theater girl. I grew up in the theater, went to college for theater, and I was taught also to improvise and think quick on my feet through theater. But when it comes to survival stuff on the plane, that's a different ball wagon, okay? So I used my flight attendant skills to create this belt for tonight. And sometimes it's the little things, okay? You know, think outside of the box. Think outside of your head, right? That zone. And you just don't know what you can create or come across or make up, okay? In that moment. You make that up in the moment. So this is the look. I wore this cocktail ring that's the same color as the top with some silver accents and some cubic zirconias in there. Beautiful ring. I love this ring. And my nails are pink. Yeah, like a plumish color, plumish pink. And so this is the outfit. But what I figured would really make this, you know, have some more fall and also more chic, okay, to tie everything together are these particular items that I'm going to show you right now, which is I'm going to rock this Elisabetta Franchi clutch with this outfit. You know, I could wear it up into the lounge like so and just keep it very chill, very dainty, but also edgy. It's given edge. It's given edge with this bold chain going across the front. And I could wear it like this if I choose, but tonight I'm feeling this, and it'll be really nice and secure on my hands like this, okay? So that's the clutch here, and I have my Anne Klein genuine leather blazer. It's like a fitted blazer, and I'm going to show you how this looks, like the full look, and take a few pictures for you guys like I normally do. And you know, I'm going to link, you know, some of this stuff for you. I'm going to find some stuff like this online, and I'm going to link it for you so that if you like this outfit, you can find it yourself. And if you like this outfit right about now, you can subscribe to this channel and come back for more gems, more personal style gems from me, and some comedy, because you guys know I love my comedy. I love doing my comedy. It fuels me. So if you get a chance, check out my comedy videos. Most of them are on Instagram, but I'm also showcasing videos now on YouTube, and I'm on TikTok, okay? So I'm just crazy and I like to have a good time, and I love to make people laugh. And you know, if it's gonna brighten up other people's day, why not? It brightens up my day just doing it. So I can just imagine what it's like for the folks when they see my comedy. So this is the Anne Klein. This is like kind of old. I got this quite a few years ago, like maybe 6 years ago or so, but I barely wear it, you know. But for times like this, it comes in handy. So I'm gonna rock this. I'm just gonna throw it on over my shoulder because this is long sleeve, so I'm gonna be good for tonight. I'll show you. I can throw it on over my shoulder, and if it gets a little chilly, I'll just put it on fully, completely. And then, listen, if you're wearing this particular look to a brunch, I would suggest putting on these some round shades, or whatever it is that you choose. You know, you could do cat eye, you could do round, but I figured some shades would really seal this look, and these are my Prada shades. And I'm gonna top things off, and I'm taking pictures and showing you little snippets so that you guys can see how this is working out, okay? And I'm gonna top this off with this Valentino. Oh my God, that got in my face. What you want? You throwing stuff in my face now? Yeah, you gonna take it there? What you want? What we gonna do about this? Yeah, meet me outside then. Yeah, meet me outside. Like what? Like we can take care of this right now. Like what you saying? You ain't saying nothing. You ain't saying nothing. Sorry, I got a little carried away. I'll meet you outside. She sprayed in my eye. How dare she? Doesn't she know who I am? It's my Nicola, baby. Sorry. Let's try this again. Let's try this. One more gag. Okay. I don't like to spray directly on me. Like when people spray directly on them and they just smell like a walking perfume bottle. I don't get it. And I don't like it. And I'm like, why? Why in heaven's name do you want to smell like a walking perfume bottle? But to each his own, right? I love to love you, and I will see you again here soon on a Monday.